Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink & Main. Today we're doing a gift bag using some of the newest releases from Pink & Main. This is male friendly, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To begin, we're going to be doing the gift bag dies, also the timber stamp set along with the gorgeous pink coordinating dies. We're going to be using the Stitch Rectangles set number 2, the pattern maker, and 2 shades of cardstock. We have a craft and a green. We're also going to be using a couple shades of green ink. So let's get started. We're going to begin by die cutting the gift bag dies, and we're going to cut it twice from the green cardstock. Once we've run that through our die cutting machine, we're going to go ahead and cut one of the medium-sized rectangles from the Stitch Rectangle set of number 2. It's really pretty. It has stitches once you cut it. Just gonna make sure it fits, and we're gonna set aside. Now with the pattern maker, we're gonna begin creating a background pattern on our box. Using the slanted stamp, we're gonna repetitively stamp, and don't worry, these are not even. You really won't be able to tell because we're gonna layer a couple of these stamps. Then with the solid line, we're gonna be using a darker green and coming across, stamping over our lines. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and place that craft piece of cardstock that we had die cut that has the stitches. Place it with flat adhesive. With the green, the darkest green ink that we used earlier, we're going to stamp the timber. And now we're going to assemble our card. I suggest using a really strong adhesive such as score tape. I used regular adhesive and had to come back and really put that together again. Now the timber stamp set, we're going to use the little guy, and I have stamped him, colored him with Copics, and played foam adhesive on the back. For a bit of embellishment, because this is a male-friendly card, I'm going to add 4 of the leaves from the same stamp set and place them on the front. And that is ready to go. It's ready for your little bottle of vodka or a gift box or some candy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.